Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Tammy, and today we're going to be doing a short full body workout, and I call it my pulsing workout because we're going to do some little pulses. Then we're going to do some slow movement at the very end of each move. So you'll get it after the first one or two exercises. First, let's kind of just warm up here with some little pulses with our arms out like this. So we're just pulsing up, warming up a little bit of our upper body, warm up the lower body, and then we'll get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you see there's that little pink survivor logo in the corner, that's what you push to subscribe. And I hope you guys are all doing great today. Same thing now, pulsing down. So little pulses with our arms here. It's extremely hot today. So let's just not make this too difficult. Let's get all the muscle groups, get a little good workout in and be done. And now pulsing a little bit forward here. And if you don't have weights, just try and improvise with something else like water bottles or some cans of soup or something. Pulsing back now. Get a little bit here. We're going to do 25 pulses of each exercise and then 5 slow movements. So a little bit here and 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now what we're going to do is alternating a little, picking up the knee, pulling it in, and just keep switching back and forth. Great. I like it. And you know what? I don't do super long weight workouts. So you can build muscle just in, your 10 or 15 minutes. So that's what we're going to try and do today. We'll see how long this actually ends up taking because I don't have it timed out or anything. We're just doing it as we go along. Okay, a couple more here. Let's do just a little bit of just some quick little calf raises, warming up the calves. Let's now do the reach, step out to the side, reach, step out to the side. After this one, we'll get started. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that if you don't have the water bottles, or if you have some weights, that would be great. I've got 2 5s and 10s here, kind of depending on the exercise. If you just have one set, that'll work great too. Okay. 3 and 2 and 1. Let's get a nice good deep breath in here before we start. Okay, so we're going to start with some shoulder press pulses. So let me just grab these here to show you. This is what it's going to look like. This is your regular shoulder press position here. And we're just going to do 25 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, they're just short range of motion, little pulses. I want you to get 25 in here. 19, I think this is 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, close enough. Now the last 5, you're going to go full range, 1, but slow, 2, and it's up to you. You could go heavier if you like to with the slow, or just stick with what you have here. So you're just doing the 5 and then you're done. Next, we're going to do the same thing with a bicep. So we've got our little bicep curls here, okay? So instead of our full range of motion, you're just going to do like little ones, little short, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your 25 little pulses. Now we're going to do 5. Remember, full range. Really squeeze the muscle and down. 2, 3, squeeze the bicep. 4, good. 1 more. Let's give it a good squeeze at the top here. 5, good. Okay, we'll do a tricep. So next what we're going to do here is, this is your tricep kickback 1. We're going to just this little, like half kind of movements, pulses. Then we'll do our 5 full range. Okay, a little bend in the knee. Elbows come back, remember? Oh my God, we'll do like little short ones. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, full range now. So you're coming up. 1, little pause at the top. 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. And if you think this is not hard, just go heavier with the weights. You will feel it. Okay, we're moving on to a standing chest fly. So it would normally look like, it's like this here, but you're coming together, squeezing the chest muscles and back out. So first we're going to do, remember, like kind of just these shorter ones here. Ten, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now give me the slow and then the really squeezing the chest muscles. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Start to feel it on that slow. 5. Awesome. Okay. We're going to do bent over row now. So you might be able to go heavier maybe with this one. I'll stick with these since it's so hot and I want to show you guys the proper form. So you have the little bend in the knee again, remember? So your weight's out here in front. And then you're going to come back, remember, and you squeeze here. But we're going to do these little short ones first. Okay? So we got 1, 2. That's 10. 20. Okay, now we gotta go slow. Full range of motion, squeeze the back muscles together. One more. Good. Okay. Next, we're going to move on to calf raises. I'm going to grab some heavier weights. Probably with that last one too, you could go a little heavier. So this one is just, we're going to come up, quickly for 25, then we're going to go slow. That's 10, 15, 20, that's 25. So now I'm trying to come up, little pause, back down. Up, pause, down. 3, 4, 5, and good. Okay, next what you're going to do is I'm going to grab these light ones. I'm going to turn here a little bit to the side. It's going to be a concentration lunge. So you've got both feet are facing forward, okay? One's going to come back here. You're going to come down. So for the pulses, if it's too hard, don't use any weight. We're just going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. That's 25. So now we're going to come up. We're going to go all the way down. 1, 2, Full range here. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, same thing, switch legs though. Don't forget to have water and a towel if you need. Let me have a little sip of water here. Okay, thanks. Okay, here we are. 25 little pulses. Get in our position here. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 25. Let's come up. Full range. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Okay, this time I'll stick with these for now. We've got a little side crunch, so I'm gonna have one weight kind of resting here, the other one resting down below. So it's just gonna go these little crunches to the side first, okay? Let's do 25 of these. And also really suck in your abs the whole time. It's 10. That's 20. Now let's come up and then a full range, slow, and all the way down. It's 2. Sucking your abs in. 3, 4, and 5. So yeah, really focus the whole time while we're doing that, just kind of holding your core very tight, and it's very helpful. Okay, so we're gonna switch. This one's resting on the shoulder. This one's just resting right here. And so we're gonna go down for 25 little pulses. Ten more. Remember your core. Okay, come up. Remember now, all the way. Full range, slow, controlled, still holding my core tight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this time, I don't think you're gonna need any weights for this one. So what you're going to do is you're gonna try your best to have your hands behind your head. And then the next thing you're gonna try and do is to bring your knee towards your opposite elbow, okay? So the little ones are gonna be like this, okay? But if you're losing your balance, why don't you go ahead and hold on to something here, okay? Do your best you can. That's 20, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now down, slow, up, controlled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you know, it does take a little balance, a little control there to not fall over. But like I said, go and just hold on to something if you need to. Okay, other side, here we go. It's 10. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. Great job, you guys. We hit all the muscle groups, done like that so quickly. Let's just do a little cool down here. Big arm circles. See, rotating back. Big ones. Great job. How about a few going forward? So like you're swimming here. A few shoulder rolls. Just roll the shoulders going back. Let's take a little side bend. Oh, that feels good. Hopefully you're in the air conditioning and it's not as hot. Other side. Grabbing behind, remember? Opening up the chest. Let's do a little tricep stretch. So arm comes up to the back, little push here. Isn't that great? You got to the cool down already, so quick and easy. And if you thought that wasn't enough, you could repeat it, or make sure next time use a little heavier weights. This one. Let's grab the hands in front, get a forearm stretch. Do it like this, turn them, and stretch out. How about just a little twist here. Careful with your back here. Don't do this too much if you have a lot of pain, but it feels really good. Let's get a nice, good, deep breath here, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. You're all pink survivors, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.